Hello and welcome everyone, and first off, thank you for clicking on the link to watch the video. We're going to talk about one of the advanced inventory features in Enterprise, lot tracking, or being able to put your items in lots and move them around. So, I mean, you can see just from my new inventory center within Enterprise 12, once I have advanced inventory turned on, that's when things start popping up, like multiple locations or serial or FIFO if I want to, but lot is one of them. You can have either serial tracking or lot tracking as far as that particular piece of advanced inventory. And you'll see even on the inventory center, I have a quantity on hand by lot number and transaction list by lot number. And you'll see a lot number will show up on sales receipts and transactions. So you can start tracking that as well as any of the posting receiving documents too. But even before you get here, how do you get this going? So first you want to, in your Enterprise 12, make sure you purchase advanced inventory, then go to the Edit menu, Preferences. And if you buy advanced inventory after you've purchased Enterprise, just go to Help, Manage My License, Sync License Data Online, just so it hits our server and it knows that you've purchased advanced inventory. And then you'll come into the Edit Preferences, Items in Inventory, Company Preferences, and click on Advanced Inventory Settings. And here's where you'll, in the second option there, lot or serial numbers, one or the other. Right? In this case, I'm going to show lots. Enable lot or serial numbers, turn on lot, and then notice that it'll open up these columns on these posting transactions. And then, of course, some warnings if you want. If you want it required before you hit Save and Close on a document, then you can change the warning settings. Then you click OK. It's going to tell you that you have to close all open windows. And then you just add your lots, and typically you're going to do it up front. So like when you receive things. So in this case, I have a cabinet pulls here. And I'm just going to skip the purchase order. I'm just going to go ahead and receive items. And choose my vendor and click no to that purchase order. And choose the cabinet pulls here, and I'll bring in, say, I don't know, 50 cases. And I'm going to put all the cases into a particular lot. Now I have multi-site tracking, so I'm going to put it into receiving first, and now I have the ability to choose my lot number, and I'll just put in lot and whatever that lot would be. Okay, I have whatever kind of alphanumeric or numeric code you guys want there. Then I'll click Save and Close. So now I have, if I look at my transaction list by, quantity on hand by lot number, I can see that I have 1,200 quantity of each, right, of this cabinet pulls in the receiving. And then in the e-commerce site, I have this and this lot, right, 4 of those. So you can keep track as you're going through it. And now when I go ahead and actually sell, let's do a sales receipt. Again, posting documents, you'll notice another column here for lot number. And I'm going to choose cabinet pulls. Go. And I'm going to choose the site I'm selling it from because that's where I know it is. Let me open this up so you guys see it better. And then I'm going to choose a lot number I'm actually selling 100 of these from, or we'll say 100. And then I click Save and Close. So now I can see a transaction list by lot number 2. Just choose the actual item that I'm concerned about, or maybe you want to do a recall or just find out what it's been on, and I can choose the appropriate lot so I know this lot is at my receiving site. Click OK, and there's my item receipt and sales receipt. Okay, so that's essentially how lot numbers work within the Enterprise Advanced Inventory. You can go to Reports to Inventory, and then I can look at lot numbers in stock, quantity on hand by site, lot numbers in stock by site is another great one. The lot number and the actual site on the left. So you can track your stock in different lots across multiple sites, or even just across the one site in different lots using the Advanced Inventory module of Enterprise Solutions. Now the Advanced Inventory is an added cost. It should be an extra $699 plus whatever proration of the full service plan. But you can talk about that with your account manager, Intuit sales rep when you call in to get this going. And then it's all under one roof in Enterprise, and you see all the reporting and tracking there. So I hope that was helpful. You guys have a great day.